for your love of writing. Use this to write your thoughts and feelings when you don't feel like talking about it. And
You
gift,
don't always talk about everything.
gift number 6, just another thing that you love. Let's see. Whoa!
For being your best self.
Gift number 7.
Saan yung isa?
We love how you look with your hair up.
Saan yung isa? Nasaan
Chop.
Kamusan!
Where's the other box? Kala ko chuk-chuk.
Thank you po, Francine SWAT team. You guys are the best.
Oh?
Arte. Arte na nung part na pagkakasabi ko.
the best.
Something to remind you of your faith. Number 8
It's a rosary. Ang arte na.
It's a rosary.
Arte-arte.
Ang galing naman nila.
Ang galing na.
Wow. January, birthstone rosary. Thank you po.
And then next, gift number 9. Sanitize as always something.
Love it. Pwede ko siyang padesignan.
And gift number 10. For days that you need to distress and just relax.
Kandila.
Makastress.
Kandila. Ay, ang ganda.
Baka iniikot. Ano yun?
I don't know what it is. You make me feel like this.
And gift number 11, a little reminder for one of your dream country that we hope you'll see soon. Verona.
Ang galing. Napakataba ng utak.
Wow, galing. Galing naman ang thought.
Ang galing naman ng SWAT.
And gift number 12, a reminder to always keep the child in you. Wow. Nice naman. And gift number 13, something comfy.
Medyas?
Siguro. Let's see.
Medyas nga.
Baka pajama. Oh,
Oh.
pajama.
Thank you.
And number 14, because you said that you usually have dry lips.
A lip balm.
Kasi din lang.
Ay! Hindi, 82.
Sila
Hindi, Francine SWAT team.
Meron.
We thought you
parts.
would love to go
Kasama to?
winning with the love of your life. On a serious note, we hope this bring you warm embrace.
Vivi? Wow! Si Vivi!
Oh my God!
Oh my gosh! Anak namin ni Sehun siya. Look at your father! Look at your father!
Ito
Sabi?
pa, what's this?
This is from my boyfriend, I think. Si Sehun, ano ba ba na to? Ay! Parang
It says-
pinapasuot sa akin to kasi may date.
Dearest Chin, happy 18th birthday, my love.
Oh!
Welcome to adulthood. Can't fully grasp that you're, I know you've heard this a lot of times already, but you truly are a gem and an inspiration to us all. You have, what is this? Touched so many lives with just your mere presence. I'm always insane with not just your beauty, but how you carry yourself and how you remain strong and unbothered despite the chaos around you. Now that you're 18, the world is yours more than ever. Continue to shine and be brave. But please don't forget to rest and take care of yourself. I may not have seen your journey from the beginning, but I promise to walk with you until the end. Wishing you more brighter days ahead. Always celebrating you, Bibi. Love you.
Oh, baby! Ate, wag mo sabihin kayo.
Okay, Sehun. From Sehun.
Oh, thank you. Tignan mo yung... Ah! It's a dress. Oh my gosh. Say, you know how to do this. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is so sexy. Ay, ang sexy nito. Si Sehun parang
18 ka
sira.
na naman kasi.
Sehun parang sira. Kung ano pinapadala sa akin. Baka makita ng magulang ko.
Naharap yan. Okay.
Alam mo ka. Where's yung picture niya?
And gift 18 is billboard to celebrate this new year.
Ayun yung pang 18 yung billboard. Nakatama na yung billboard.
Yes, grabe. Guys,
We hope you enjoy this presents from SWAT family. We love you
Guada.
dearly. All the love, Francine's 1
Ano, gallstone?
Thank you guys. Wala lang masabi ko sa words ngayon kasi minamigraine ako. Pero thank you, sobrang appreciate ko yung gift nyo. And again, this is like very new to my eyes. Very fresh, very...
May number yun.
Oo, very a whole new world to
Alam mo
me.
bakit? Natulog ka ng 3.
Ayan, open mo pa ibang gifts. Let's...
Ito.
Ito po ay...
Kasama din.
Kasama nito.
I don't know what it is. You make me feel
What's
like...
that? I think it's a candle.
Oh, ang dami naman yan.
This is 17? There's a number.
Ano yan?
I think it's a jar. Full of hearts. Jar of hearts.
Parang bakit may number siya? Baka kaya nga yung kasama.
I think parang ano siya, parang quotes of the day. Kunyari, you feel down, tapos kailangan mo ng pang-motivate, bubunot ka. Sige nga, bunot ka.
Ng box na Chin, you are loved by many. Even if you don't talk, we got you always. We will fight for you like soldiers. We love you, Chini. Dump jet plane. Thank
Message
you.
pa niya.
Mga messages to from iba't ibang tao. Ang dami! You have a lot of time to read this.
Thank you everyone sa lahat ng nagsulat nito. Marami akong gustong sabihin pero wala akong maisip kasi nga migrine ako right now.
From Cool It's Gang Family.
Sige po.
Sino? Malaki.
Ayan, the big one. Let's see what the big one is.
Our golden girl, Francine Diaz, Cool Eats Gang Family.
Kulits.
Kulit, sa
Kulits. Kasi kayo ba ay makulit?
Oh!
What's that? Wow!
Okay, wala ka na. It's a ring?
Ito, from Ate Sai.
It's a ring?
I don't know.
Saan?
What else? Yung galing
Sino?
na Sean.
Andiyan pa ba sila?
Alam ko yan. Total.
Tapos sa gabi, gagalaw tong bear. Asa conjuring kami.
Okay, next gift from Ate Sai.
Aw, is this a sunflower?
We'll see.
Ben and Bart. I'm sorry, I had to like... All along you were blooming, thoughts were boundaries. Boundaries? Boundless. Living. To from there. All along you were blooming.
From?
To Chin, happy birthday from your cutie, Inanak Summer. Wow! Loving you!
Ayun pa, may isang box pa malaki. Ayan.
Ano kaya ang pangalan mo?
Hindi yan, yung isa.
Ano kaya ipapangalan ko sa kanya? Eros. No, dapat cute.
Parang ano yan,
to?
parang bahay.
Mango tapioca.
Parang books.
Because it's from Ate Zen and Kuya Fermin. Ay! Toy Kingdom! May laruan ako! Sana totoo na siya this time na laruan.
Ano yan, luto-lutuan, cashier.
I knew it. It's ano?
Ano?
Ano kaya yung papangalan ko sa bear?
Bebe Bear.
Si Bernie.
Si Bebe Bear.
Sana maayos yung vlog ko, no? Hindi dapat ako maliligo talaga. Hindi ako dapat nakaayos ngayon. Sabi
Dapat
nila
ka
maligo
nag-ayos.
daw ako, ganyan. Magbihis daw.
Oh, kasi pupunta tayo
Pinaligo
ano.
ako. Nagbihis ako, nag-ayos ako. Ending migraine na. So, oh, di ba? I told you! Dapat palamigin na to right now. Let's go!
Palamigin mo na. Anything else?
This one.
Yan.
From Pulitz Gang ulit.
Wow.
Galing naman.
Wow.
Paano ba maging ganito kagaling mag-drawing?
Kaya
Tignan
ko
mo,
lang.
oh. Kasi parang ako, nandito pa lang para ng ewan.
Akin nga ginawa ko yan, tabingi pa rin yung mata.
From Pulitz Gang
Chin,
family.
may malaki ka pang gift na bubuksan mamaya. After nga.
Malaking-malaki.
Mercedes.
Ginto.
O,
Gift
diba?
yan!
Itinda ako, hanggang pinapasok niyo pa rin ako. O, diba? Ano na yan? Ang arte. This is from...
I won't wear makeup on Thursday.
Sorry. Wow! Talented sila.
Talented ang mga fans mo, no?
Sorry, talented sila.
Kuha pa yung pati parang biglang
Mana
i-wait
sa
mga
akin.
picture mo. Yung sinag ng araw.
Huwag kayo, talented silang lahat. This is from Happy 18th birthday, Chin. Stay healthy, stay sweet. More birthdays to come. We're always here for you. We love you, Chini. Love,
Grr.
DRA. Kasi baka pag inopen ko yung sa plastic, masira.
Ano, meron pa? Anything else?
From Katama. Oh, I decided to live as me. And to live by me. That's right. Who needs you? I need me. All I need is me. Under the roof. What is this? Stronger. Just me, myself, and I. Ano para to? Ay! Sorry! May sarili akong ballpen. Mom, she curls. Mom, she curls. Oh, pak. Oh. Diaz. Pak. Sorry. You don't ask me where's my boyfriend. You ask me where's your ballpen. Nagalit. Sis, you're sweeter than candy-coated sugar cubes in honey sauce. Taray. To Francine, happy birthday! I gave this to you dahil napanood ko yung isang solo part mo sa TGS vlog. Yung sabi mo ron na you love to write and meron ka ng mga nasulat. So here, I hope na this gift of mine ay maging isa sa mga safe place mo. Lugar kung saan malaya kang mag-share ng feelings and thoughts mo. Take care always. Sarang he. Love, Aynalem, mate. PS, sorry sa box wala kaming makitang maayos.
Your boyfriend's here. Wow!
Don't ask me where's my boyfriend because I don't have one. All I have is a one ball pen.
And
Notebook.
with
A name.
name. Mate.
Yan, meron ka pang bubuksan.
Innate, mate.
For the first time ko makareceive ng ganito karaming gifts. Like first time. Ay! Pape Melrody. This is the one you took?
Yeah. Wow! Ang galing ko, di ba, Char?
Photograph,
ganda kasi ng model
photo
eh.
by. Happy birthday to my forever idol. Wow. Happiest 18th birthday, love. Can you stop calling me love? Kasi parang ano eh. Thank you for always spreading love, kindness, and good vibes. As your fan, I'm one of the happiest to see you smile. I am very proud of you always. I love you big time. To Francine from Lara Jean.
Lara Jean? From ano? To all the boys?
Oh my gosh, am I like one of your boys?
To all the boys I love you for?
Ay, ang ganda. Ay! Ang ganda niya!
Wala sulat.
Siyempre, Lola.
Next gift na ba?
Sulat.
Unboxing the special one.
Madam.
Hello! Thank you!
Baba ko lang din yung mga special gift.
Because you're
Ito,
the,
special
you're the
lang to.
Madrigal with no special gifts.
Ito
Grabe,
special
ano
lang
ba
to.
to? Ano ba to? Aray! You! What's up? Ito yung ano pang samgyup.
Nagupit sa...
Dandahan, Chin, maano ka, magupit ka.
I'm Edward Scissorhands. Ang ganda nung unboxing ng ng YouTube eh, no? Pang samgyup yung ginawa.
Special.
Ten, 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 ten,
But
ten.
tonight will be the night that I'll be over you.
Mali.
I'm sorry. Oh my gosh! Ah! Wow!
Gold.
You did it! One mission, one channel, and one more thing. 1 million subscribers! Congratulations! You may have started with just a few viewers, but your incredible voice, passion, and creativity has now touched the lives of so many people around the world. Wow! To honor your incredible milestone, we are proud to present you with the Gold Creator Awards. We hope that this special recognition will inspire you and remind you how much you mean to so many. I know. Char. God. We know this milestone is one of many that you have reached. With others yet to come, you are part of the dynamic group of creators who are building the next generation of new media companies. CEO Yarn. Yours sincerely, Susan. Whoa. Paano basahin? Paano basahin to? Wait. Osiki? CEO YouTube. So, ganun po talaga pamilya ko. Presented to Francine Diaz. Ay, may pera. Charot. Francine Diaz for passing 1 million subscribers. Pwede kang magsalamin dyan. Ay, Who is that girl I see staring straight back at me? When will my reflection show who I am inside? Kaya nga your voice has touched so many. I promise, gagawa ko ng mas maayos na video. I mean, na speech as my thank you speech for this and to everyone na nakasubscribe sa channel ko. For the special gift.
Special.
Okay, he's ready. Give it to me, I'm worth it! Buksan ko na! Deal or no deal?
Number 1!
Or no deal, deal or no deal. Ngayon!
Tulungan mo kami.
It's the time for ride. Yeah. Look at that. I have. Oh, did you hear the bell right there? Did you hear it? Did you hear the bell from the sibs? Narinig niyo ba yun? At ano daw to, vintage daw talaga to. So, it's very luma, pero naayos. So, thank you guys for watching. Alam ko ba medyo magulo? Wala akong maayos. Wala pa akong intro! Anyway, sa lahat po na nagbigay ng notebooks, ng books like this, and ball pen, and another book, and kila Sean, kay Ate Zen, and Kuya Fermin. Thank you po sa Miko Tapioca, and sa mga talented kong supporters, napakagagaling ng mga ginawa nyo. Pwede bang turuan nyo naman ako minsan? Tignan nyo naman! Oh, thank you guys for watching, and nakapag 1 million subscribers na tayo! A little bit. Charot. So, thank you for watching, for liking and disliking, for sharing and commenting and everything. Thank you so much. I appreciate it for the loving and caring and supporting. I'll see you in the next video. So, don't forget to like, share, comment, like, dislike, and subscribe. XOXO! Francine.